following message is transmitted at the request of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center. What? The Colorado Avalanche Information Center has issued a special avalanche advisory for the mountains of Colorado. Avalanche conditions are unusually dangerous. Where? Medicine Bow Mountains, Never Summer Mountain, Front Range, Williams Fork Mountains, 10 Mile Range, Gore Range, Mosquito Range, Sawatch Range, San Juan Mountains, San Miguel Mountains, Rico Mountains, La Plata Mountains, Needle Mountains, Grenadilla Range, Sanger Delaware Crystal Range when, beginning 7 a.m. Friday, February 12th. Expires at 8 p.m. Monday, February 15th. Impacts. Backcountry avalanche conditions are unusually dangerous. You could trigger large and destructive avalanches. Additional storms will mean rapidly changing conditions. Reason: very weak snowpack and additional snowfall. Precautionary preparedness actions. Backcountry travelers should plan to take extra precautions. Use conservative decision-making, cautious route finding, and careful terrain evaluation. Consult www.colorado.gov/avalanche for detailed information. Logan.